Welcome to a new weekend project. Today we will repair a Nevadent electric toothbrush. I disassembled it as you can see in the pictures. I discovered that the defect was due to the dead battery. I don't have this model of battery, so I decided to upgrade it with the bigger brother 18650. But the bigger brother also needs more space, so I cut the plastic support to make room. After I put them all inside, I fixed and sealed with hot glue. Small adjustments. The hot glue will do his job very well, don't worry about.